Hey guys, happy Saturday! So we are out with Marvel. We're taking him to a what park?
Pause in the park.
Pause in the park. Like
Event.
there's an event, so we're taking him there. He can play around in the water park and enjoy everywhere, play around with other dogs. So that is where we are going this morning. And I'll take you with us, show you how he enjoys and everything, and our entire day. We are here. It's so crowded and there's so many dogs over here. So let's go ahead and see. He's so excited. So it's so crowded, super crowded.
Hey.
Everybody's enjoying here. Do you guys see that? Oh my god, it's literally full. It's so fun. We're gonna take him to the splash park once we find that. So beautiful here. Okay, so we are going back home now, and we couldn't shoot much because it was so crowded, and we're taking him all these places and all these things. And he also got hurt in his finger. His leash is almost like in two pieces. So
Yeah, his leash has a weird thing popping out, which actually just cut out the skin near the nail, got poked into. So that was weird. I never expected the nylon leash to do something like that though. But anyways, we had our fun. We couldn't last longer. There was a wait for like 3 hours just to go into a splash park, which is not happening today. So we would rather take him to the beach instead of waiting for 3 hours just for one splash. They were not even letting the dogs stay into the water,
like swim around or anything like that.
So that's why we decided we can just take him to the beach or something later instead of just waiting for 3 hours and stuff. But yeah, he jumped with some other dogs and stuff.
He's super tired. Okay, so this was something that I saw for the first time when I came to US, and this is so cool.
So we are at the drawbridge right now. So whenever a bigger boat passes beneath the bridge, they have to open the bridge so the bigger boat can pass. And that is why this is a drawbridge. So the bridge opens, the boat will pass, which unfortunately we won't be able to see. And then it will go back down so the cars can go to the other side.
Yeah.
So this is pretty cool. Even I saw it for the first time when I came to US. I've always seen in the movies and stuff like, oh, drawbridge, huh? Fancy, whatever. But yes, so this is because an inlet channel to the ocean. So you can see a lot of boats over there if you will zoom, see how many boats are there. So some of these yachts are really, really big, and that's why they have to open the bridge. And so people take their yachts, and this channel eventually meets the ocean. So people just go do fishing, spend the day, come back. You can even rent one if you want to go fishing or do something like that. Yeah, you can even rent one and go for fishing or things like that. So it's fun, but it is way too hot. You wouldn't expect in November to be this hot, but this is way down south. So, and yesterday night was totally opposite. Opposite of this. Yesterday night was so cold, and today afternoon is so hot. I don't know what's going on. But evenings are better, so it starts getting cool. So let's see how the weather turns out this evening. We haven't seen the forecast, but we plan to go to West Palm Beach. Yeah,
we're planning to go to the outlets.
Just roam around, see if we like anything. Check out a few things, stuff. This guy is tired.
You tired? Yes, you are.
We are back home. It is so hot outside. Especially when you go and try to, just spend a day in an open sun in the park, it feels more hot. Anyways, look at this guy. He is chocolate over here. He's breathing so hard. Look at him. Still trying to play a little bit. You tired? Anyways, we are gonna take some rest, and then we're gonna not sure what to make for lunch. We have a little leftover rice. That's it. But we don't know what to make with it, so we'll decide what are we gonna have for lunch, and then after we have lunch we take a bath, we freshen up, and then around say 3:30, 4?
Yeah.
Like a little bit when the sun goes down, it starts to go down because we don't want to go out again in such hot sun. So around 4ish, around 5 we'll just go. It's 20 minutes from here. We'll go and we'll just roam around, have some fun, and then we'll come back before it's time to take Marvel out again. So that's the plan for today. Couple more weeks before we start traveling, so we are very excited about that. We probably would start packing this week, this weekend actually. Yeah, so we'll start packing this weekend because we are done with all the gifts and everything for everybody, so we'll at least pack those up. So no last minute packing stuff. We are almost ready with all the other stuff, you know, like passports and stuff. They are all in place. So yes, that is it that's going on. She is recording a lot of recipes to post, so that even when we are traveling, there is no gap in the momentum of the recipes. We don't want you guys to be waiting for a month just because we were traveling. So that's gonna happen. She's over here. So a lot of things going on, so stay tuned.
So we all were sleeping, and then mine was going to go take a bath, get ready, so that we can go out and relax this way.
So we are out, we're going to the outlet malls, and look at the weather, it's so beautiful. So we were watching TV and I slept, and then he also slept, and Marvel also slept. So we had a good sleep, and now we are fresh, and it's not even hot anymore. So we are going out, we can roam around in the outlet mall, shop whatever we like, have some fun. It's Saturday. I hope you guys are also having fun, and let us know in the comment below what you did this Saturday. If you bought something fun, let us know what did you buy, and we'll also show you if you buy something. And yeah,
And apparently it's gonna get cold
yeah,
a little bit.
yay,
So that's the good news actually when it gets cold in Florida.
yeah. We're here. It's so beautiful. It's all lit up, all the trees and everything for Christmas.
Yep. It's pretty good. And it's getting cold.
Yep.
So it's good to walk around. No sweat.
Yeah. So let's go have some fun.
It's all lit up. This is beautiful. And these, they have chests over here. Look at this. Okay, so continuing this vlog. Today is Sunday, and we just thought that we will just do one weekend vlog. It's a weekend before Thanksgiving.
Yep.
We are going out again today, and we are gonna go see some furniture around. We are gonna probably have our lunch, which we haven't had anything since morning, and it is 2:41 right now. So we are probably gonna have lunch at Panera. We don't feel like eating unhealthy
Yeah.
now. And we are
have to
gonna
get Marvel's bed.
So yes, so we have to get Marvel's bed as well.
Yes.
So those are a couple of things that we are gonna do today, and we are gonna show you where we are, what stores are we gonna hit today.
Yes.
So stay tuned. We are at Panera Bread, and we got something, and what we got, you'll have to wait and see. So stay tuned, and we'll show you once it arrives. It's gonna take 4 to 5 days to arrive. So once it arrives, we are gonna do another vlog, and that's when we are gonna do a house tour to see what furniture we got and how it looks. I'm having soup and half sandwich, and she's having salad and soup. So this is one of our favorite places. She's happy, and as I said, we are also gonna tell you what we got once it arrives, and that's when we are gonna do like a house tour and stuff. So stay tuned. It's gonna take a week before it comes, so our vlog is gonna be crazy when we do that.
Yeah. Hey guys. So the last when we saw you was at Panera, yeah. So we were having lunch at Panera, and then we came back home, and we had such an amazing day, but it was so hectic. We had so much of work to do, but it was all fun work because we got something new, as we told you, and it's gonna arrive Friday. So we're gonna do a good proper house tour, and we're gonna show it to you then, because it's related to furniture, and we are super excited for that. And this guy is ready to sleep over here. So
we didn't even realize that it's past midnight. So it's like 1 a.m. now almost, and we have work tomorrow.
Yeah,
it's Monday.
So, and we came back home, and we did so much of moving stuff around here and there in the house. I'll show it to you some tomorrow, and yeah, rest of the things we're gonna show it to you on Friday or the long weekend, right?
Yep, we'll show you once we have adjusted everything. That's the only reason that you guys have been requesting, but we haven't done a house vlog, like a house tour.
Yeah.
And even at the Diwali, we just showed you glimpses of here and there what we did. But we are gonna do a house tour, and it's gonna be totally different because we are gonna do a combination of a day tour, like how it looks, everything looks with the bright day sunlight coming in, versus how it looks in the night when we lit up the candles every night, and whatever lights we put on every night. So we are gonna do that, and we are gonna combine it together so we can bring you the whole thing.
Yeah.
So that will be fun because we really wanted to do it for you guys. You can get some decor ideas, and also we are going to put the links in the description for that of whatever items we can easily.
Yeah.
And when we do the tour, we'll tell you how we got few things like hacks, like how you can do this in cheap way, and how you can do some of this stuff. So that's gonna be cool.
Yep. And now we're gonna see you in our next vlog, which is gonna be tomorrow. So till then, bye bye and good night.